Welcome to FoxEcom. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to edit and customize your Shopify store header using the sleek theme. By the end, you'll know how to update your logo, navigation menu, and icons, all to create a header that fits your brand perfectly. First, go to your Shopify admin, click Online Store, Customize, and select your sleek theme. Let's start by uploading your store logo in the theme settings. Use a clear, high-resolution image with a transparent background for the best visual result. You can also adjust the logo width to keep it balanced within your header. Now, navigate to the header section. In the section settings, choose which menu you want to display. Click Select Menu and link it to your main navigation. If you'd like to create multi-column layouts, you can enable Mega Menu. To learn how to set that up, check out our tutorial for it.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool, FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
Let's get back with our header setup. Sleek offers multiple header layouts, including centered or left-aligned logos. Turn on sticky header so it stays visible while scrolling, and control how drop-down menus open, on click or on hover. You can also enable transparent header if you're using a hero image or video banner at the top. This gives your page a clean, modern look. When using a transparent header, make sure your logo and text contrast well with the background, light on dark, or vice versa. By default, the header includes the search and cart icons on the top right. To allow customers to log in, enable customer sign-in links from your Shopify admin. The account icon will automatically display in your desktop header then. Finally, preview your header on mobile. Sleek's header is fully responsive across all devices. Here, you can set the logo alignment to left or center, and control which add-ons appear inside the mobile menu drawer. Not sure how to set up language or country selectors for your store? Check out our related help guides, you'll find them linked in the description below. That's it. Your Shopify header is now customized and ready to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Shopify tips from FoxEcom. Thanks for watching.